Hello, fellow traders worldwide. This is Gabriel here. Welcome to my channel, Real Forex Trader. If you're looking for real, honest, and practical insights on how to approach and understand Forex trading, let me tell you that you are in the right place. The purpose of my channel isn't about get rich quick scams or fool you with unrealistic promises, trading holy grails, or anything that sounds too good to be truth. I'm here to show you what it's really like to trade as an independent trader, both ups and downs of this fascinating and promising industry. No bluffing or lies, just real knowledge, real experience, and some strategies that I have learned, refined, and used along the last years. I'll be sharing with you educational contents, of course, and it's important to clarify and highlight that I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a normal person who has been in love and passionate for the art of trading in the last 10 years. For instance, I am an academic and technology consultant in my country. I am a translator too, but I love trading because it's fascinating, right? Fascinating. And I have applied many things related to trading to both my professional and my personal life. I'll be sharing my humble knowledge and expertise about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trading psychology, and suggestions, of course, related to the different aspects associated with Forex trading. Also, I will be sharing simple but usable strategies that help you navigate the markets with confidence, or at least with a conscious certainty of knowing what you are doing in the markets. It is wrongly believed that trading is easy. I'm afraid it is not the case with Forex. We shall not mix up the terms easy and simple. They have very different and distinct meanings. For example, easy refers to something that requires little effort, is not difficult, doesn't take much skill or energy to be accomplished. And that is far from what Forex is. On the other hand, we have simple. Simple refers to something that is not complicated. It has a few parts. Somehow it's straightforward in design or in concept. It has or it needs some steps to be accomplished or implemented. Well, that is closer to what Forex is. The thing is that for us to reach that simple stage when trading, we need to accomplish other steps as well. We need discipline, consistency, passion, education, patience, right? But those are things we can accomplish when we are exposed to the right information and when we are really committed to this. Whether you are just starting or looking to refine your skills, with this channel, I will give you some relevant tools so you will become a better trader and, believe it or not, a well-balanced person. Because trading is not only about charts, news, indicators, peeps, or leverage. No. It is about us. It's about how we react before frustration, how we handle our greed, fears, excitement, and all those emotions that inevitably define us as human beings. And believe me, those emotions and feelings are present in every single trade in the markets. Well, if your intention, your real intention and commitment with yourself and your valuable capital is to better understand Forex and your behavior in this industry, then I hope this channel will give you some tools to be aware of what you are doing before, during, and after you execute every single trade. Of course, if you find these contents and of this channel and my statements and the coaching sessions as something relevant, useful, or insightful, Then I will be uploading 2 or 3 videos every week covering the contents I have designed for this coaching. Uh, in brief, I will be explaining everything related to the course to you. Indeed, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and turn on the notifications. Let's build a community of real traders who understand what it takes to succeed as an independent or retail trader. Let's reach out to those traders who are eager for real, honest, practical, and engaging information. Please allow me to help those traders whose expectations have been shaped by misleading information from social media, trading platforms, rumors, and many other sources. I would like to show them the real side of trading, how it works, and how rewarding it can be from the realistic viewpoint. Each video and a piece of information that I use in the coaching sessions comes from renowned authors from books I have read along these 10 years. Okay? So these are some of the books I have read. And of course, my experience, my personal experience as an independent trader in this exciting endeavor called Forex trading. I'm sure you have read a lot too, but most of the time, the issue is that we don't know how to put the pieces together. That's one of the goals of my channel. Help you better understand the pieces and how to put them together into the whole with the purpose of improving your trading processes. Please don't hesitate to leave your messages, your comments in English, Spanish, Portuguese. I will be very happy, right, of answering as many questions as possible. I repeat, I don't mean to know that I know everything. No, no one does. Okay, no one has the holy grail or all the answers. There is no 100% strategy that is perfect. When we trade, we have to be with our feet on the ground and understand that when we trade, we will win and we will lose. That is the reality. So no 100% trading plan exists. So basically is to be realistic. And with a trading plan that is effective 60%, 70%, 80%, you can make profits. You can be profitable in this industry. All right. So without further ado, allow me, please, to introduce you to the modules designed for covering these Forex coaching course. Totally down to earth. The coaching course has 8 modules. In every module, we will cover very specific information that is going to be helpful to our progress in the understanding and in the practice of trading Forex. In the first module, which is Introduction to Forex, we'll be covering aspects related to the basics of Forex, right? What it is, how it works, and also, of course, talking about the currencies, the major currencies, how to identify them, how to correlate them as well. We will talk about and understand leverage, how leverage works, and key concepts that we need to know from the very beginning, such as PEEP, spread, how to identify and understand the Japanese candlesticks, market hours, types of traders. And of course, we're going to learn how to set up our charts on MetaTrader 5. That is the platform that I'm currently using, is one of the most versatile platforms that we can find. However, we can also talk about CTrader or other platforms. The thing is that the market is the same. No matter what platform you use, the market is exactly the same. What you have to be careful about and to pay attention to is what you do, the information that you use in order to trade on every platform. Okay. That is the first module. The second module is about the essentials of technical analysis. It has to do with everything related to the charts, right? So we are going to understand and implement a charting tools such as Fibonacci's, EMA, SMAs, how to spot trends, get to know when a currency pair is trending, right? Or either bullish or bearish. Also, if it is ranging, because those are the cases too, we will understand support and resistance. We'll check in depth the information and the use of indicators, getting to know the differences between, for example, lagging or leading indicators, working with ATR, ADX, MACD, right? The relevant indicators that I use in my strategies. Module 3 is about a fundamental, right? The essentials of fundamental analysis. Sometimes we trade separately, right? So we just pay attention to the technical analysis. But there's a key factor here, which is the fundamental analysis that can destroy your trade in just a second. So we need to be aware of the fundamental analysis and how we can combine both fundamental and technical analysis. So this module, module 3, is about that. It's about economic indicators, central banks, news, high risk news, high impact news, right? So it's basically about that and how we can put that information together with our technical analysis in order to have a more probabilistic, effective trade. Module 4 is about money management, right? This is another key aspect in here. What is money management? Sometimes, most of the time, when traders are novice in this industry, the tendency is to trade under 2 parameters. The first parameter is to trade with impulsive trading, right? So what is impulsive trading? Is this, let's say that you spot that you think it's an opportunity here and you see, oh my God, it's going up, it's going up. So I'm going to enter here, and you enter. All right, that is your entry point. No stop loss, no take profits, right? Just you saw this. That is impulsive, right? And the impulsive trading basically generates mistakes, okay? Because these mistakes represent money. Money you lose. Okay, maybe it could be a good one, but then you are playing with chances. And the trading is not a chance. Trading is not a casino, is not a game. Trading is a business, right? This is a business. And such a business, we have to treat it with respect. So when we trade impulsively, sometimes we don't even pay attention to the risk that I took in this trade. Let's suppose, for example, that you have $1,000, right, in your account. And in this very trade, you are risking 20% of the account. So if you lose in this trade, you are losing $200. And that is not right. So we have to be careful about what? About the way we place our trades. So we need to be careful about what? Position sizing, risk per trade, risk to reward ratio, stop loss calculation, the take profit criteria, right? Currency diversification, correlation. So this module here, right? This module here The one of money management is very important because we're going to cover everything related to that aspect. Module 5, okay, this is about real trading strategies that I have learned along these years from my readings, from my experience, from mentors, adaptations, of course, and things that I find useful and that have worked for me. But I insist, I repeat, I don't mean to say that everything that I say is the right way. Of course not. Every trader has a different style, right? I humbly want to share the strategies, right? And if you can, if you want, if you see more potential, feel free to enrich them, but always following the rules of the market and your own rules as a trader, okay? So I will be working on strategies such as scalping, right? Range trading, trend trading, among others, right? So that's going to be a very interesting module as well. Module 6 is critical because it is associated to the psychology. When we trade, we need to be aware of our own minds, our mindset, our current state, how we feel before we trade. Okay, so these 10 commandments, I mean, have to do with discipline and with the mindset, with cognitive bias, for instance. That is something we're going to study as well. How to build resilience, how to journal your trades, but basically how to control your feelings, your emotions, your fears, your greed, okay, before you trade and while you are in the trade. And also when you finish, close, end a trade, because your anemical condition is different in every stage. You are one before you trade. You are another while you are in the trade. And you are another person when you close or the trade is closed. So those are psychological factors that are very important. Probably you have heard this, that out of the 100% of people who start in the trading business, 95% quit after 3-6 months or the time they need to blow their accounts. Just a 5% of the traders continue, right, as successful traders. But it's not an easy road. Okay, it's something that we need to dedicate time. But if you are disciplined, this business is absolutely amazing. The next module is a trading plan, right? So how to develop a sound trading plan and tracking tools. I personally designed a template in Excel. I love Excel. Right? I need, and I have to admit that I love Excel because it has helped me a lot, right, to be more disciplined, right? So I use it as a very critical tool in my trading plan. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to let you see how to develop your own, of course, your own trading plan, your own templates with Excel in order to track your progress. We need to track everything, the positive trades and the negative trades. And with these kind of tools and templates, you can also detect probabilities in the market, right? But based on what? On observation. Because basically what we do in the market is observe what the market does. The final module, module 8, has to deal with a key element, a very important element, the broker we're going to use, okay? Because first you need to define the kind of trader you are, what personality you have when you trade. And based on that, you need a broker that is in that line as well. There are brokers with low spreads, low commissions, and things like that. So you need to spot the red flags and the green flags when you are choosing the broker, because in the end, the broker is going to be that connection between the market and your profits, and of course you. Okay, so that module has to do with what key elements we have to analyze before choosing our broker. Okay, so this is all about the coaching course. Again, if you find this information relevant, if you consider that what I just showed you here is important, that you see this is something relevant, that you can find it useful, please subscribe to the channel, activate the notifications. I promise that is the only promise that I'm going to do. I promise that every video will be engaging, will be real, will be absolutely down to earth. Okay, is the only promise. I will not promise any fantasies or any magic things in the market, because I mean that is the reason because I created this channel, because I want to be absolutely honest with the people who follow the channel, with the people who subscribe to this channel, right? So my people, my real and dear traders, thank you very much, and hope to see you in the next session, right? So welcome to the coaching course. Thank you very much.